Ohanezi bumuloze moze kine kwa mona biko na video no na chine na eba no. Big massive shout out to the security system of Abia State so far. But you guys can do better. You people can do more effort in ihunu na eme. Tinu more effort in ihunu na eme because na video no na akwadi na eba kita video no ndị ọjọọ ndị Abia State ndị ọjọọ he use we go their political influencers to promote this video na social media kita ha na target that na Alex Otti nwere ihe ọ na-eme na Abia State that na they are trying to win na ndị herdsmen na overrun go Abia State forest. He use we go this video kime ka ha wee na eme gịnị wee na promote their evil agenda against Abia State. Agwa muna agwa before. God is my witness, and the people in this channel, I have seen it countlessly that they don't have anything against Alex Otti. That the only thing they can do against Alex Otti Bogene is insecurity where Sadio Bodo. And this thing is playing before our very eyes. I am fear. Ekugomi ha countless man ọ na-aga ewutem na most times na-ekwu okwu like the mother apụta na commission asị m mara ihe na-ekwu na nke anụ nwana ọ na-ewutem anybody ha will last one anybody you could that in again mkpalicha gị nsụ gị blocking na mụrụ na izelu na ezi ihe a na-eme right before our very eyes mmadụ mee gịnị a na-asị gị na ọ dị eme this people nwere anything against Alex Otti. They're trying to use insecurity against Alex. Big shout out to the security, but you guys can do better. In the end of this video.
Madam, Ndeo.
Ndeo, sir.
I want one day Abia State Vigilance Service. Gini mere today.
Oh, on the Fulani.
Ka aha gị wonya?
Aha m bụ Adaobi. Adaobi Ibebu.
Okay. Gini mere here?
I nwere farm here. So I bịa nekọta n'ezie I bịa farm. Ozugbo I ka na-achọ imepe gate. Anyị agbapela gate, no sound n'azụ one of the trees. So ozugbo I na-agbape gate, one of them pụta o ji egbe. Say everybody lie down.
Ndị Igbo ka ndị Hausa?
Ndị Fulani, ndị na-akpa atụrụ, ndị Fulani na-akpa nama.
Okay.
So ọ na-asị lie down here. Ozugbo okwu lie down na drag ezi ụmụ inside the gate. So Dimuna said, don't worry, we go lie down. We go. I said, I go shoot you. I go shoot you. My husband now said, we go lie down. We go lie down. No shoot us. Okay, the other three, bapota immediately. I just jidebe. So zuba bapota didn't put you on cause of babazani me compound farm. I press here the gate, lock or gate, padlock or. So I baruza gabaza and the back side of the farm. I know the dear. Ofu sinazo fence, very high fence. Mafete. Now I say, where your husband? Where your husband? Go carry your husband. Where your husband? I go shoot you now. I go shoot you. Mono mom na ya na say I beg I carry children. No shooters. I carry children. Okay, what you now want? Otu ka anyị na-asị na agbayere n'ime the farm. Ọ na-achụgharị anyị n'ime farm.
Thank you. Una na-esi gị abi. Keta ndị Fulani abago n'ọhịa n'ime Abia State. Ihe abi video na nwe for one out of many. One out of many, because the security, thank you guys for getting massive response, rapid and massive response. I give it up to you people who excellent job. Excellent job because do Abia State. Ndi Abia State do Abia State. Egone ka akwụlụ to do this kind of thing. All these people, political vampires, Abia State, again in tarnishing the image of Alex Otti. I call you people political vampires because no one who know them. The high road of Abia State na check ahead and do. That is why I call you people political vampires. No, political vampires because people will chief we. The next video, Abia State today. Nene video ka Abia State de tupu Alex Otti be chewa Abia State. Nene the video just cooler than nene video ko no fo.
Ya na leni anu no hia wa aba. Hia wa aba hia jide wetere unu video awu ima ona ara ho unu echefuo. Hia wo to abadi before Dr. Alex Otti ebido onu abia wuru governor Abia State. unu leni anu lenu ni ya unu mo unu echefuole so soon just legodo to obodo de ya wo from osisi ọma so osisi ọma gawa ariaria o ya de here chai legodo to obodo de before otio governor sunu na agbafecha here all to show you the kind of character they are made of. I would eat chieftaincy shagola agagari I would a bobiro oh bobby moto hana agbafecha he were siren how abafe the goody just the goody how abafe he lepo how wine ya up just the good to obododi. When you see Abia people butter hana to na shout today kele Dr. Alex Otti. Look at the reason here. Even for the on the time ka unu people maybe akwụrụ say unu gawa na social media lekwa aba lekwa to abade ụmụ Abia they just excited excitement enwe onye nyere ego low to abade just look at here jide wete video some of you echefuola ime ọ na-eme ewepụ nkịta akpịrị gedowe ahụ n'ihu ka ọ na-ahụ ya anya if they want to be chara na nwa aba ga-arụ aba just the good.
Thank you. Now nke anọ na play na background kita but the current state of Abia State kunu na Africa ndasi we chipu Abia State mkwa una afu mgbe Alex Otti bata una afu ko obodo si eme gini si we emepe obodo mepe na aga n'iru mana afụrọ m the rhythm na oh my god on foro gị na afụrụ isi na asị kedu ihe mmadụ mere mmadụ ibi ya ọnụ kịta all this ndị ochie chijara Abia State need to be in prison ha kwesịrị ịnọ n'ime prison by now because na you people did the worst. You people condemn Abia State 25 to 30 years. You people condemn it and put Abia State in shame. In space of 3 years, somebody is changing a history that you people did in 30 years, and still you people are not happy. Aboromonya Abia State. I'm a fool born and brought up in Anambra State. So, but the reason Abia State is that this is the only state in Nigeria that every money is being accounted for. Go and check Abia State budget. The reason Church people said that we made the research, go and check the budget. If you go to healthcare, police, school, health, everything in a station. If you case a Diego, a total. If you go na budget, be here natural maybe a kubekara na kayas na Alex Otti Kolomogwa or now Wallonia Mego Nekulu Makama, Ihoma Abia State in a menu. Manati no head them Makamadin ngome. God use Alex Otti to wipe all the tears and shame within the Abia State and the suffering they have cried for long. Manoboli insecurity kono chebu bata nobody. He used to be good their political influencers. Kana sebo na emeti why isn't cause. Mana this propaganda is dead on arrival. It's dead on arrival. I'm hozimi hozo meji channel and wole a campaign for Alex Otti. If I don't know what to do again with this channel, wole a campaign for Alex Otti. We put on wole a campaign for Alex Otti. Toha. Because when we have any madanya like this, enough na this man carries his people along. Ubudo demma okuniemu uzo naga everywhere has gunu uzo adro on akwa uzo there. Go online, care for the update of their airport analog, care for the update, the massive update of the airport analog. What else do you people want? You bloody vampires and the Shibukula Abia State. What do you people want? Keduna import on a Fulani Abia State, Kabido Tobandem mother, Bido Mewi Hena when he's in Abia State. This propaganda is dead on arrival. Any Fulani Obunejite, or ya wafan this sponsor, and that person I JB Japotia. I watarian also. Woman Obono Morizi Hos on the channel Lame, Mwelea promote to Alex Otti. Abumoya Anambra State. Manuno Megidi, I admire one Alex Otti na Anambra by. I will be so happy. Ọbụkwa sọ ọgọ na-aza nwa mgbafọ na-emete nwa mgbafọ na-emete ya mana ọ na-achị ya ọchịchị gọọmenti ọchịchị military gọọmenti. Yes, I am an Anambra dị stubborn mana Anambra ilu ha Abia State stubbornness. Abia State one of the most stubborn state enwe na ala Igbo anyị. Go and check. Biko n'ododo biko Alex Otti before more security n'ime ọhịa. Before more security, please. Before more security. In the name of God and in the name of what? In the name of everything they believe on. Yeah. Before more security. If possible, every cow in Abia State should be searched. Every route and corner. John Mother, the mother can go see the blueprint of Abia State. Kuno be more here connected. Every Imo State connecting Abia State to other states should be guided with all diligence and honesty. Employ people there, station there 24/7. Oskoya bola haho gafe there, CGD Zogboya. Bikono.